Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We got another rain few minutes ago and now it's still dark clouds. Yesterday we got so heavy rain. So for today's video, we are here inside the house and Christian is there in the tool room. So I don't know, I think I already made a video about our incubator. So this is where we keep the eggs harvested from our Rhode Island red chickens. And then we already hatched 5 times chicks, and then we were able to sell some of them. And so this is the first incubator that we bought. And then now we received another one, the same type. Christian ordered a new one for hatching. For the purpose of the second one is for hatching, because like this, the plan is to put eggs per week. So like this, the new harvested eggs will not wait for a long time. And then I have here 42 eggs. They're all on the same batch. This one I put last June 20. So this one is here in the living room, but Christian is working in the tool room for a place for both the incubators. And also he installed for the 12 volts, because this has actually a can also be 12 volts. You see that DC 12 volts. So currently this is charged and 220. Christian is here installing the new incubator. Hi, guapo. This is smaller compared to the other one. Right, honey? Mm-hmm. Because the purpose is only for hatching. So, you see, we have here sleepy chicks. These are the last batch. And they are now 10 days old. Hello, chicks. So, eat. They are very full. They fall asleep so fast. Rhode Island red chicks for sale. So they are already 10 days old and they don't need light. They don't need how do you call that, Han? Warm. Mm-hmm. And daytime we turn off their bulb, and then at nighttime we turn on again so they have more warm. So Christian actually used the infrared bulb last time, and now he changed back to this one. How do you call this bulb, the white one? Just ordinary bulb? So you see, this is the infrared bulb that he used in the beginning. So it produces more warmth and less light. Right, Han? More warm and less light. The infrared. Mm-hmm. So this is what I am talking about, that he installed for the 12 volts line. So you see that? Amazing. And now he connected the new incubator to the 12 volt. Wow, amazing. Meaning?
Temperature.
It's different brand, no?
Mm.
Because the settings are different compared to the other one. Okay. Yes, it's alarming because the temperature is too low at this time. It's 29.7. So you see the 12-volt line there. Drinker. Yes. Last time also they include drinker and feeder. And also to this brand new one, there is a very cute feeder and a very small. This is the drinker. Yes, right. And that's the feeder.
That's already cheap.
Yes, you see the it's very cheap because you see there is no lock. The drinker is no lock.
No, but
And no handle to put.
no, just a few days.
Yes. So automatic drinker and feeder, but we also bought few from the agrovet, like that. That's bought by Christian, and better because they have a handle. So like this we can, and there's a lock. So back to the 12 volts line there. You see the blue pipe, and they are connected to the solar system here. This is also where we charge our phone. You see that Christian's phone is charged there. And this is the connection of the 12 volts to the incubator. It's connected to the, how do you call this? Solar panel.
Controller.
Yes. Control. There is a name. I did not read. Solar charge controller. This one. It's at 12.0 right now. Because it's not too much sun also, especially after lunch we get dark clouds and rain. And what is this? What is this? The charger. You also charge there? Maybe.
No, I'll check the voltage.
But the toy incubator can be connected there? Amazing, Annie. Good job. There is also included, guys, are the small bottle, because we don't have we have so many sprayer actually, but there are included sprayer and a small bottle to correct the humidity of the incubator. So in fact there is a small hole on this side there to insert this, and to add just a very small drop until the humidity is reached. But 60% humidity to 65%, especially when it's about to hatch, it should be 65% humidity, you know? And then the temperature is, that's why it's alarming before, because it was 29 only when we started to plug it, and now it's 37.4. But I turned off the alarm. The light is still on for the temperature, which means that it doesn't reach the 38 degrees Celsius. Celsius, huh? Mm-hmm. What kind of vlogger is this? Don't know the details. So I will see if the temperature light will turn off when it reaches 38 degrees. Nice, nice, nice. Good job, honey. Christian put a round bar on the concrete wall to support the plywood. There are three round bars under. He drilled on the concrete wall to attach the round bars, and it's very strong. And then he tied with the galvanized wire there. And soon, very soon, we will transfer here the first incubator with the eggs, the one that I showed you previously. So it already reached 38.0, and the temperature light is now turned off. And humidity is at 61. So back here in our first incubator with eggs inside. So as you can see, the humidity is at 59%. So in fact, this is a different brand, and this one is bigger than the other one. And temperature is 37.9. So I'll show you the button. I'll show you the small holes on the side where I insert this the tip of this bottle if I want to correct the humidity. So there are small holes there. You see the three small holes. That's where I insert this and just press a little bit, very very slowly. Especially with this one, it's 59, so it's a very very small percentage lacking to correct to have 60 or more. So according to the manual, 65% must be maintained during 18 days higher. So based on our experience with this incubator, the previous batch of eggs were hatched at 19 to 20 days. And actually, don't worry, guys, because everything is, when you bought the incubator, everything is set into default. You don't need to change something, and except if something is wrong. So as you can see, the humidity is now increasing to 60% after I put a very small drop of water from this bottle. The problem with if it's connected directly to 220 volts is that during brownout, Christian need to to bring the car battery here to charge it. But now that's why now it's a good idea to directly connect them to the 12 volts. But I think we need to check also sometimes, especially during rainy days, if the solar panel can afford to charge both the incubator. Guys, I'm very noisy here, but I did not notice that there are the chicks are deeply sleeping. Christian turned on the bulb because it's no sun today, and outside it's still very, very light rain. They are really sleeping. I will disturb them. Guys, we will transfer now the second incubator. And the holes,
Huh?
the holes
Which hole?
there. It's okay there. There's a space. Good job! Thank you, Anne.